Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. And I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out because this is the general collective messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact with each other but they are in twin flame journey. So it is not going to resonate with each of you, so take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I will try my level best to deliver all the messages, whatever messages I'm receiving here. Okay, so now let's start the reading and let's see what are the important messages from your divine masculine they want to say to you. Then their next step, what emotions they are right now in, what is the blockages, what are the tarot messages, okay, what are the signs, so many more things. So now let's start the reading and let's see what are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact with each other. So now let's see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact with each other. What does divine masculine wants to say? What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? Please tell me. Okay, what does divine masculine wants to say? What does divine masculine wants to say? What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminines here? Let me see more messages if there is. What does divine masculine wants to say? Any other message from the divine masculine? Okay. Okay. Wow. So what is happening with your divine masculine is that no one compares to you, no one other compares to you. That's the same message I'm receiving here from your divine masculine. Okay, divine feminines, so no one other compares to you. Okay, that's the same message I'm receiving here from your divine masculines. They know that no one other compares to you basically. And I understand our connection now. So this was the same message which I was receiving in the conversation also. So they're trying the connection, they're understanding the connection now. Okay. I am feeling the consequences of my actions. So they're feeling the consequences of their actions, whatever actions they have taken. So they're feeling the consequences here. I'm feeling the consequences of my action. I wish I could be there for you. So they're feeling very bad that they're not with you and they're wishing that I wish I could be there for you. Okay. Now they want to say you that you never give up on me and you make me a better person because you do not give up on them, divine feminines, and because of that you make them a better person. That's beautiful. Bottom of the deck I'm having, you make me feel that I am worth something. Okay, you make me feel that I'm worth something because you never give up on me and you make me a better person. So that's beautiful. Now let's see more messages from your divine masculine. What does divine masculine wants to say? See, there is no one else who has touched my soul. This is the same message. There is no one in this whole universe, okay, who compares to you. You are unique. You are the only one divine feminines in their life. That's what they want to tell. What does divine masculine wants to say? What are the messages? Please give me messages from the divine masculine. What does divine masculine wants to say? Any other message? Any other message? Some of you can feeling the pain in your heart chakra. That can be a possibility. Okay. Wow. There is no one else who can touch my soul. That's the message I'm receiving here again. No one other compares to you, divine feminine. There is no one else who has touched my soul. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There is no one else who has touched my soul. I told you they want to tell you this. And the message is this same. So they value now. They understand the value of you. Now they respect you. They know the value of you. You are my first and last thought in the whole day. Okay, so you are the last and first and last thought in their whole day. So that's what they want to say. Okay, now let me see more messages from the divine masculines. What are the messages? Please give me the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. What does divine masculine wants to say? They are dealing with their ego. Okay, no, I'm not going to take it. They're saying no. Okay. What are the messages for the divine feminine from the divine masculine? What does divine masculine wants to say? Please tell me, what does divine masculine wants to say? What does divine masculine wants to say? Any other message from the divine masculine? Too many messages. Okay. I find it hard to show you my love, so I use sex as a way to show my affection and love. So divine feminines, if they approach you, asking you for sex and all, so they find it hard to show the love towards you. That's why they use sex as, to approach you. That's why they ask you for the sex. That's why. Okay. They find it hard to show their love. That's why they use sex as a way to show their affection and love. Then they want to say that my transformation is going on, rebirth is going on. Okay, my transformation process is going on and rebirth is going on. So they're going on a transformation here. That's what they are saying, that you make me a better person. You can be dealing with water sign or an earth sign: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, you can be dealing with your divine masculine can be water element or an earth element: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, I feel alone and nothing and nobody can make me feel complete. So they feel very alone. Okay, divine feminines, and nobody can complete them. Okay, nobody can complete them. Okay, there is no one else who has touched their soul. That's beautiful. They want to say it again and again. I feel alone and nobody and nothing can make them feel complete. You can be dealing, your divine masculine can be a fire element: Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Here there can be a possibility that your divine masculine is a fire element. Okay, then there is a lot of communication is coming towards you. Okay, a lot of communication is coming towards you. Wow. It hurts so much without you. No one other compares with you. This is what they want to say again and again and again and again. Okay, I'm getting the 4 or 5 messages from every deck that they want to tell you that no one other compares to you. Okay, divine feminines, if you think that your divine masculine don't understand your value, that is wrong. Okay, there is nobody and there is nothing who can make them feel complete or who can compare with you. They want to say you here again and again this thing. Okay, then I'm afraid that things might go wrong. They're feeling afraid that the things will might go wrong here. Can you forgive me? I know I have treated you wrong. So they want to ask you that can you forgive them, because they know that they have treated you wrong. I understand our connection now. I'm trying to understand our connection now. Can you see? I understand our connection now. I'm trying to understand our connection. That's beautiful. I miss you. So that's what they want to say you. I miss you, my divine feminines. So they're missing you. Okay, so these are the messages from your divine masculine. That's what they want to say. Okay, now let's see what are the doubts of the divine masculine here. What are the doubts of the divine masculine for this reading? What are the doubts? No, what are the doubts for divine masculine? Okay, I still don't even know what I want out of my life. That's the doubt they are having here. So they still don't know what they want from their life. I wear a mask to hide my weakness, vulnerability. So they wear a mask to hide their weakness basically. Do you really love me, or you just trying to fill a void? Okay. Sometimes I feel just emotionally disconnected from everyone and everything. That's why they're telling you that nobody and nothing can make them feel complete. That's what their doubts are. Bottom of the deck, I'm having, what if you can never forgive me for my past mistakes? So they are having this doubt that what if you are not going to forgive them for their past mistakes? So they're feeling afraid for this. What if you can never forgive me for my past mistakes, and I'm afraid that I have a sex addiction and need multiple women to please me. That's what they want to tell you. Okay, so these are the doubts from your divine masculine. So now let's see what are the blockages in your twin flame reading, in your twin flame journey. Some of you are having the abandonment issues. Apply these blockages according to your journey and leave the rest. Okay, let's see what are the blockages for this reading. What are the blockages? Please help me out. What are the blockages for this reading? What are the blockages? Any other blockage? Any other blockage? No. So some of you are having mental confusion and exhaustion. That can be a blockage here. Okay. Then there is materialistic. So someone is materialistic here. Either you are materialistic or your divine masculine or the divine feminine. Anyone is materialistic. Anyone is materialistic. Or it can be possible that you both are materialistic. Okay. Then there is someone is hurting inside. Okay. Okay. Either you are hurting or your divine masculine is hurting, or you both are hurting. Then there is judgmental. So someone is judgmental here. So these are the blockages for your twin flame journey. Remove these blockages so that you can get reunion in your twin flame journey as soon as possible. Now let's see what are the messages from the universe to the divine feminines. Okay, let's see what are the messages from the universe. What are the messages from the universe? Please give me the messages for the divine feminine for this reading. It just flew. Okay. Maybe you can see number synchronicities of 1122. Okay, 1122. That can be a possibility. That you can see number synchronicities of 1122. Okay, you are not alone, divine feminines. We are working with you. That's what the universe wants you to know, that you are not alone. We are working with you. Release all fear and doubts to the divine. You need to release all the fears and the doubts to the divine. Spend some more time in nature and ground yourself. Okay, you need to spend some more time in nature and ground your energy. Build your inner strength. You need to build your inner strength here. Okay, start setting your goals and work to achieve them. Work on obtaining your financial stability. That's very important here, divine feminines, that you need to start setting your goals and you have to start working on them. Start working on obtaining your financial stability. That's very much important here. Then there is learn to love your body and embrace it. Accept yourself. Self acceptance is required here. So learn to love your body. Okay, so these are the messages from the universe. Thank you, universe, for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the messages from Twin Flame Tarot deck. Okay, for this reading, what are the messages for Twin Flame Tarot deck? What are the messages for this reading? What are the messages? Please give me the messages for this reading which are important. What are the messages for this reading? What are the messages? Okay. What are the messages? Wow. Any other message? You're going through with in a period of ascension, okay? Ascension is taking place here, divine masculines and the divine feminines. You are rising in your soul lights, okay? As the twin flame awakening is happening here. So your twin flame awakening is happening here. That's why you are going through with ascension, okay? Beautiful. You're shedding your old limitation and you're rising into your soul's light. Your twin flame awakening is happening. You are growing closer and you're gaining awareness. Your twin flame awakening is happening. That's beautiful. Then there is, you need to have trust in the divine timing. Surrender to the divine as he has the better plans. Okay? That's why they are saying that release all fears and doubts to the divine. Trust in the divine. Okay, surrender yourself to the divine timing because he has the best plan for you. You need to surrender here. There is hope. Nothing is impossible. There is always a light. So don't lose your hope. Okay, so keep your hope with yourself, divine masculines or the divine feminines, whoever is watching this video. Wow. There is karma. Soon you are going to receive your good karma. So this is the Wheel of Fortune card. Your good karma is coming back. Okay. Soon you will receive the rewards for your good karma here. Okay. Take a break. Replenish your reserves to realign with positivity. So if you are working non-stop, you have to take a break and replenish your energy here. That's the message here. Then there is past lives. You both have already lived many lives together. Okay, you both have lived many past lives together here. That's beautiful here. And that's why, and some of you are experiencing astral experiences, nighttime journey and meetings. And that was the same message in the next video also, the conversation between the divine masculine and the divine feminines. Maybe you both are meeting with one another. Okay, astral experiences are happening. Nighttime journey and meetings. Then there is life purpose, divine masculines. So divine masculine, if you're watching this video, you are having a life purpose here. And even for the divine feminines, you are having a soul purpose and life purpose here. So you have to start working on your life purpose as soon as possible. 2020 is the recording reading time, and your divine masculine is becoming the divine masculine, from the distorted masculine to the divine masculines. Okay, so they are getting their higher self. Okay, they're becoming the aligned with their higher self, a place of love and harmony. And there is union, you both are getting close to each other. So some of you are getting union, okay, with your divine masculines. Then there is synchronicities. Pay attention as your angels are trying to communicate with you. Pay attention to the signs, number synchronicities, because angels are trying to communicate with you. Okay, then there is new beginnings, new doors are opening up. 2112 is the recording reading time. There is a new beginning which is going to happen here. This is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from Lovers Oracle for this reading. What is the message for twin flame reading for this reading? Too many messages. Please give me one message for this reading. Okay. Embrace. Through each other you find the missing piece. Okay, through each other you find the missing pieces, basically. Okay, as you are the twin, you both complete, you find the missing pieces into each other. So embrace. That's beautiful. And there is, imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light, creating room for new opportunities and possibilities for your life, because there are new beginnings, divine feminines. Okay, so you have to dissolve all unwanted thoughts which are not for you. So that's the message I'm getting here. Now let's see. I love you. Your counterpart is trying to reach you. These are powerful words. Okay, let's see one or two messages from Whispers of Light. This is a spiritual connection. Okay, that they're asking me to take it. I'm going to take it. This is a spiritual connection. A relationship has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime. Okay, so why they are saying this? Because you have spent many past lives together here. This is a spiritual connection. This is beautiful message, I can say that. Okay, this is a spiritual connection here you are dealing with. You both have spent many past lives together. This is beautiful. Any other message? Give me one more message for this reading. Please give me one more message. Love endures. You can be seeing number synchronicities of 777 or 707, 717. I do not know why I say that, but yes. Love does not give up or lose faith. Love is hopeful and withstands every situations. So do not lose hope. Okay? Because there is always a light. That was the same message here. Okay? That do not lose hope. Love always endures. Okay, there is always light here, so do not lose hope. This is beautiful message here. I love the message. Let me adjust my camera so that you can see clearly. Okay, now you can see it. Love endures everything. So that's beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Let me add one message from Wisdom of Oracle. Okay, message in a bottle. So there can be a message in a bottle for you here. Okay, communication can be possibility that you can communicate with your divine masculines or the divine feminines. Okay, now let's see. Please give me one message for this reading. What is the message you want me to deliver for this reading? Please give me one message for this reading. Have strength. Okay, keep your strength. Go the distance. Okay, so you need to keep your strength. Keep moving in a forward direction by keeping your strength. Don't lose hope. Keep your strength with you. That's what they want to tell me here. Okay, now let's see what is the message from the true love for this reading. Please give me one message for this reading. Compatibility. So you becoming more compatible with each other. Can you see? Compatibility is rising for you. That's the message I'm having here. So that's beautiful. Thank you. Let me add one message from the power of love. Please give me one message. Respect. You value everyone's unique perspective on the path to love. Okay, you respect everyone's perspective on the path of love. That's the message here I am having. Let me add one soul lesson. What is the soul lesson you need to learn for this reading? Okay, what is the soul lesson? I got 2. Okay, someone needs to get surrender here. Okay, someone is here who is not doing the surrender here. I can release my need to control. Surrender yourself if you are not, if you have not yet surrendered. Okay, release all your fears, doubts to the divine. Surrender yourself. That's the soul lesson I am having here for you. Surrender yourself. Trust in the process, trust in the divine. Okay, because he has the best plans. Then there is worry. I'm learning that worry does not change an outcome. See, release all your fears and doubts. Again, the same soul lesson as here. So you have to release, learn that worry does not change an outcome. Okay, that's what they are saying me to do. Okay, what I need to add. Okay, angels and ancestors. Let me see one message from the angels and ancestors for this reading. Wow, the same message. Hermit. You need to retreat and recharge yourself here. Okay, retreat and recharge. Hermit mode is on. It's already on for your divine masculines. Okay, it's already on for your divine masculines. They're telling you that they are in a hermit mode. Okay, and you need to retreat and recharge yourself. Then let's see what is the message from angels. Thank you for giving the messages. If you want to let me know anything, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, intuition and downloads. Okay, so you are getting intuitions and downloads are happening because ascension is taking place. As you know, you're going through a process of ascension here. Okay, ascension is taking place, and because of that you are getting intuitions and downloads. Your crown chakra is getting activated, so now you're getting connected to the universe energy. You're getting the intuitions and the downloads. So that's the message I'm having here, okay, from the angels. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the next actions. What are the next action divine masculines are going to take towards you? What are the next actions? What are the next actions of divine masculine? What are the next actions? So they are basically, okay, let me see all energies first. What is the next action of divine masculine towards the divine feminines? What is the next action? They are in a hermit mode here, okay, divine feminines. They are in a hermit mode. They're doing the soul searching and all. Why they are doing it? Because they left you out in cold here, and because of that they're carrying all the burdens on their shoulders, okay. They know that they have treated you wrong, but now they're releasing the burdens here with the 10 of wands, 10 of fires. They're releasing the burdens, the guilts. They're releasing it, they're completing it here. All here also I'm having 10 of airs, okay, 10 of swords and 10 of wands. So they're completing a cycle. They're releasing all the burdens, whatever heartbreaks, patterns, whatever they are holding on, they are releasing it, okay. And they already know the truth. 3113 is the recording reading time. King of air, this is king of swords. They know what they have to do, maybe. And whatever temptation, whatever conflicts, whatever confusion they are dealing with here, this is going to end. They're going through with some kind of heartbreak, temptation, conflicts in their life, okay. And because of that they're feeling restricted. They cannot move in a forward direction. They're overthinking here. They are being trapped in their own mind thoughts here with the 8 of swords, okay. And but they are, because recently they have gone through with some kind of heartbreak here with the 3 of swords. Maybe their karmic partner give them the heartbreak or some kind of heartbreak. 3 of swords energy is here. So someone put them in a third party situation and they got it because they were getting tempted here. Temptation, conflicts, they are not in a good place, okay. Confusion, and because of that, that's why they were saying that no one other compares to you here, okay. Now they're coming towards you with the page of water, okay. So they are going to come towards you with an apology or with a small message or small offer or small something. They are coming towards you because page of water is something which is emotional, okay, but it's just a page. So maybe they will message you something small, but that will be emotional here, okay. This person is someone who is, you can be dealing with an air sign or fire sign. Sign can be anything, but this person is someone who loves the fire, okay, very fiery. And they are not in their emotions. Can you see? They are right now feeling very fiery and they are emotionally not available. They are feeling the energy of king of swords and king of wands. That's what they are. They want happy family, happy life, okay. And they are going to use the intuition, high priestess, because 3322 was the recording reading time. Their intuition is also guiding them properly, and because of that they are going to approach you with the page of cups. Maybe this approach is very small, okay, but or a small apology, sorry, a small message, but this message will be emotional, okay, because they want to create 10 of cups. They know with whom they have to create 10 of cups. Happy family, happy life, okay. Now let me see more. See, I just cut it out. The sun. They want to start a new happy beginnings with you. This is beautiful. The sun is coming for you, divine feminines or the divine masculine, whoever is watching this video, okay. They want to create new happy beginnings with you. Any other message? Wow. See, chariot and the sun. They're going through a lot of ups and downs in their life, divine feminines, because they followed their temptation and now they're feeling the consequences of their action. That's what they told you, that they are feeling the consequences of their action, okay. That's what they told you, that they are feeling the consequences of their action because they're going through with all kind of conflicts, okay. And there is no peace. That's what I can hear. There is no peace. They're going through with some kind of but they're completing a cycle here, okay. They're closing out the cycle. Now they want to move in a forward direction here with you, okay. They're coming towards you to create 10 of cups because they know that they have to create 10 of cups with you. Happy family, happy life. They want to move in a forward direction and new happy beginnings are coming for you. The sun is here. So that's very beautiful here. Okay. King of Cups, yeah. Now they will be in their emotions because they are feeling it. They're feeling it, King of Cups. They're keeping an eye on you. They're watching you from the distance. Love. This is your love here. Okay. This is your love. They are keeping an eye on you. Okay. They see you as star. They see you as someone, wow. They see you as someone who is a star, with whom you are very happy, you are abundant. They see you as Queen of Pentacles here. They see you as very happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. You give them new hopes, new desires. You are stable, you are independent. You can create, you are already creating 10 of Pentacles. So that's why they basically value you. Can you see how it is? Can you see the difference? They love you basically. Okay, so that's what I'm having here from your divine masculine sides. They're going to contact you here very soon. Maybe from the, yeah, maybe from the page, but they want to move in a forward direction. That's beautiful. The Chariot is here. The sun is here. The love is here. They're keeping an eye on you that what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. So now let's see what are the signs you may be dealing with. What are the signs you are dealing with? Okay. What are the signs here in this reading? They can be an Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio. What are the signs for this reading? They can be a Taurus, Leo, all fire signs are here. Okay, they can be a Virgo here. Okay, so yeah, they can be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. That can be a possibility here. Okay, they can be a water sign, Cancer and Scorpio. They can be an air sign, Aquarius. They can be a fire signs. All fire signs are here. Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Okay, so these are the signs. Now let's see more signs here. What are the signs for this reading? What are the signs? They can be a fire sign here definitely. Okay, or an earth sign. What are the signs for this reading? Any other sign? Any other sign? Any other sign? No. Okay. Yeah, so they can be in fire sign here. Aries, Sagittarius here. Can you see Aries and Sagittarius is here? So they can be a fire sign definitely because all fire signs were there. So they can be an Aries or Sagittarius here. Okay. And they can be an earth sign, Capricorn. That can be a possibility here. Earth sign is here. Okay. And they can be Gemini. That's the air sign. Okay. So they can be a Gemini here. Okay, so they can be an March baby. This is your partner's birthday month. Okay, the March baby is here. Then there is April baby. So they can born on March, April, October. Okay, they can born on May. My baby is here. Okay, they can born on February. Okay, and they can born on Monday or Tuesday. This is the day. And this is Wednesday and Thursday. So they can born on these days or on these months. Okay. And they can be an element here I'm having here. So they can be an water and earth element in their chart or in your chart. They can be an air and water element. Okay. They can be in fire and water, and they can be air and earth. So these are the elements which they are having or you are having in your chart. So this was the reading I am having here for you. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all of you, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to that channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself and see you soon.